Hey traders, Brian Heiliger with AutoSystemsTrader.com, and I want to update you on some of the trades we've been doing this month in the month of April 2012. So the last update I sent out was at the beginning of the second week in April. I think April 10th was the date, and we had started the month off with a nice gain. I thought those gains would continue this month, and looks like they have a little bit, but not to the extent that they were in the first week of April. So got some nice little gains that we're sitting on here for the last 2 weeks in April, and I'll just kind of go over some of the trades we've seen in these markets. So I'll just start here with the NASDAQ. Looks like we had a NASDAQ trade here on the 16th, which was pretty much a break-even trade. Good lesson here is that you always want to protect yourself from losses. So once a trade shows you a substantial profit, and in this case, good 30 points there in the NASDAQ, you need to protect yourself in case the market reverses, and so that's a perfect example of that. And then we had another trade today, actually, in the NASDAQ that didn't go. I'm sorry, we're talking YM here. I'm talking about NASDAQ. So anyway, good trade in YM today, actually, on 423. So look for that in your accounts, those of you who are trading with us. And then we'll talk NASDAQ here. This trade, yeah, there definitely was more money to be made on this trade. Unfortunately, you don't know when those times are going to be the times where the market's just going to run, or the times when the market's going to turn around and reverse on you. So it's a difficult balance there to remain profitable in the long term when you're looking to take these huge, really unusual moves. This trade was on the 16th as well, so maybe some room for improvement there. But all in all, we didn't lose money, so that's a great trade. Now today, on the other hand, we lost money. And you look at on the NASDAQ, we lost money. And overall net, if you're trading the E-mini Reaper, you made money today because you're going to be trading the YM, you're going to be trading the NASDAQ, and you're going to be trading the ES. But all in all, so you would have made money in these markets. But here in this case, we just got whipsawed in the around the open. I think this trade was around the open, yeah. So really, you take some losers sometimes, and this was one of them. But the winners on the YM and the ES make up for that as well. So we had the same sort of setup here in the ES, and made a little bit of money there as well. So those are the trades. Actually, I'm sorry, this was 411 in the ES, and then we had another ES trade today, which was 59 to 56, about two and a quarter points. So that's those markets for you. The most active market, of course, has been the 6E in terms of volatility, and this trade was on the 12th. Nice winner there. Go through some of the other ones here. Horrible loser here. Really nothing to say about it. Sometimes you just get them wrong, and that's trading, and you're not going to get them all right. And this was just a bad trade. There's really nothing you can do about bad trades. You just kind of got to manage the risk in terms of your sizing and in terms of your stop placement. Sometimes you're going to pick the wrong side of the market, and that's just the way it is. It's just managing those losers to remain profitable that affects the long term. And then we made the money back on this trade, and looks like we gave up a little bit on this trade here. And those trades were on the 17th. Nice winner there, and there on the 20th, and that about sums it up, guys. So just sort of wrap it up, we've got a nice nice profit that we're standing on for the last 2 weeks in April. Not as much as I had anticipated we'd be making, but again, fairly substantial amount of money. So those of you who are trading with us, you'll see that in your account, and those of you who aren't should give me a call. You can reach me at the number you see right there on the screen, and hope everyone's doing well. I wish you all the best and wish you best in your trading.